BeautyBabes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a new day, and a day means a new video. As you guys already know by the title, I am going to do my first BoxyCharm unboxing. So if you guys want to see that, keep on watching, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And let's just get into the video. So y'all, this is the box. It's really not that big. So this is the box. If you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a subscription. You get like 5 products for $21. 5 full-size products for $21. That's insane. I've heard really good thing about BoxyCharms, and I'm super excited. So let's see if it is worth it for $21. The box. Ooh, okay. This is the inside. So first guys, is this card, BoxyCharm Getaway, and we have like all the products right here in the back. So first product is the No Problem Prime Essential, and I have the little one. That's insane. I have the little one, and I'm like, I'm gonna buy the big one because it is so good, but I don't have to because BoxyCharm give it to me. Oh my god, that's insane. I think this is like, what, how much is this? This is $23, y'all. $23, and I got it in a box for $21. This is insane. That's the first thing, and I am mind blowing already. Second thing is the Tarte High Performance Naturals BU Natural. Oh, this is an eyeshadow palette, and this one is $36. Whoa, 36. Let's see how this looks, because I know Tarte is not like, it's not cheap. Okay, this is the packaging. So cute. This is super cute. Whoa, look at those shimmers. Let's do some swatches. Are you okay? This is insane. This is insane. Okay, the shimmers are so beautiful, and you have a little mirror, like, oh, and I have a highlighter, and this one is from Steve Lawrence, and this is for $26. This is this jelly highlight formula is bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so fun to use. Watch it glide on with ease using your favorite brush, or simply dab it with your finger for an effortless glow. Okay, this cannot be that good, so I'm gonna try it. The packaging is really nice. I love how it is so simple, not like overdoing it. So they say just simply dab it with your finger for a effortless glow. As you guys can see, I have no highlight on my face. So okay, it feels so good. It feels so soft. Whoa, I love it. I freaking, guys, you guys have no idea how soft it is. I was afraid to touch it, that like, I feel like if I touch it too hard, I am going to mess it up. Is that crazy? I think that's crazy, bro. It's so freaking soft. That's insane. These are matcha green tea antioxidant sheet mask, set of 3, and they are from Peerless, and they are $24. So are they like usable? Like, can you reuse them? This natural fiber mask infused with matcha green tea and with restorative Asian botanical fluids your skin with anti-toxic matcha green tea works hard to stay with your skin cells helping with. Okay, so I'm 17. I don't really think I have a problem with aging yet, but sounds good. I don't really do masks. I usually do it like once a month, or like I don't really do it. So, but I'm super excited to use this. I have really sensitive skin, that's why I don't really put things that I don't really understand on my skin. So see how my skin is like fine, no pimples, no nothing. I like to give it that way. Thank you very much. Okay, the last thing is the Dominic Cosmetic Lemonade Lip Gloss. Add hydration, shine, and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominic Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible as you wear it along or layer it over your favorite lipstick. So it is lightweight. It's the packaging is beautiful. Whoa, look at this. I love it. Should I take my lip gloss on and see? Yes, I should. It smells like Starburst. Real good. Love it. It's beautiful and it's like, it's gorgeous. I love how it feels on my lips. It feels real good. Guys, everything in this BoxyCharm is amazing. And like the amount of money I would have to spend to buy one of these at the store, and this is like $17. So this is like $137. I'll have to spend $137 to buy those like full products, but I can get it for like $21 with BoxyCharm. And look at this highlight. This highlight is like glowing on my nose, and I didn't even put a lot. I just dab it on the products and then I just dab it on my face. It's so smooth and so lightweighted. Like, oh my gosh, my first BoxyCharm come through. I love it and I cannot wait to have more, and I am super excited to try this. I'm super excited to try these out. Like, I think this is my first Start product and I love it, y'all. This BoxyCharm is Gyvencha's approved. I love it, y'all. I love it. So if you guys want to subscribe to them, you should totally, and I'll have their Instagram link down below. So go check them out. See if you like it, because it took me like, if you guys enjoy this unboxing with me, give it a thumbs up and comment below if you guys want to see more. And if you have BoxyCharm, tell me if you like what you got this month. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, beauty babes.